Hi, this is Kristen Parkinson. I wanted to show you my two home pages. So I have homepage here, and I have my Acme template. So for my homepage, I've got my header set up. These files are not quite set up yet because we don't have any information on those, but they are responsive. There's just a placeholder going to them. For my recipes, I have a placeholder of where you can click on my recipes. As you can see, I still have a lot of work to go on my CSS. That's why I did not do well on my CSS in the first place. But I have my homepage here in my Visual Studio Code. Let's see what else I have. Can't quite see that. So I have zero problems right now. I've debugged it, made sure that my styles were all up to date. And as far as validation, I've gone in through Validator and entered my code. It does not seem to like how I've typed things, so I'm not quite certain how to do that. I mean, it doesn't like my question marks for PHP, so I don't know if it's just doesn't like it, or this isn't the right version that I'm supposed to be using. So anyway, here is my homepage again, and here's my template. It is responsive. I can go a pixel. I can do, an iPad Pro. And as for my template, iPad and iPhone. Yeah. Hope you like my files. All right, thanks. Bye.